Reframe your narrative and sculpt your vision by mastering the art of video cropping in Adobe Premiere Pro. First, ensure your video clip is placed on your timeline and selected. Now, navigate to the Effects Controls panel, typically found at the top left of your workspace. If you don't see it, go to Window and select Effect Controls. Within the Effects Controls panel, locate the Motion Properties. You'll see Position and Scale options here. To begin cropping, we'll use the Scale property. Don't be afraid to increase the scale value beyond 100% to zoom into your footage. As you scale up, your video will get larger, and parts of it will go out of frame. Use the Position property, adjusting either the X or Y values, to precisely move your scaled-up footage around and select the desired area you want to keep. This allows you to effectively reframe your shot, eliminating distractions or highlighting a specific subject. You can apply this cropping technique to multiple clips, transforming your raw footage into a more focused and visually appealing story. Experiment with different scale and position combinations to achieve the perfect crop for every shot, enhancing your storytelling and editing prowess.